turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Take off the engine cover. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. Using a socket wrench, an extension and an 8mm socket, start by unscrewing the negative terminal on the battery. When removing the positive clamp, ensure that you move it far enough away so that it won't touch the terminal and risk damaging the vehicle's electrical network. Lift the red plastic cover. Then, using the same tools, remove the positive terminal on the battery. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, remove the 3 holding screws on the protective cover of the battery. Loosen them. Then, to save time, finish the process off by hand. Finally, remove the plate. Remove the plastic front of the battery compartment, sliding it upwards. You will then be able to access the metal holding U of the battery. Remove it once again by pulling upwards. You can now remove the battery. Put the new battery back in place. Put the holding U of the battery back in place, sliding it from the top to the bottom. Be careful to insert it onto the threaded stud bolts on each side of the battery compartment. Put the front back onto the battery compartment. Put the protective plate of the battery back on. And screw the holding screws back on, starting by hand. And fixing them in place with a socket wrench. Lift off the positive terminal cover. Then put the positive terminal back on to start with. Tightening the screws with an 8mm socket. Then, put the negative terminal back in, ensuring you insert it fully, before fixing it in place with a socket wrench. Operation completed.